elbow, lunch, lurker, learn, large, live, lobby, library, lucky, lift, large, long, inflation, belief, volume, elevator, slower, pulling, floater, delete, leave, color, world, ball, tall, curl, small, control, blow, April, powerful, financial, people. The lollipop fell into the cold water. The school was a mile away from the hill. The golf clubs were made of the steel. Hand, hide, hop, hair, house, harvest, honey, happy, who, hold, hold, hit, hat, harm, hero, head, hat, ahead, behave, anyhow, downhill, dehydrate, how, hard, overhaul. He told us he should watch the car, thank his teacher, watch television, use the telephone, shut the door, breathe deeply, tell the truth. Henry the Hungry Hippo, who hogged a half heap of 100 hamburgers, had hiccup for 1 whole week.